In 2022, the Robinson nuclear plant performed non-destructive examinations during its refueling outage and discovered 5 indications near a core barrel weld. One of those was addressed emergently at that time, and a justification for continued operation was issued for a single cycle of operation.
The discovery of these indications was a first of its kind event, not just for Robinson, but for every PWR in the world. We had to engage other nuclear utilities, EPRI, and multiple vendors to develop the technologies and processes needed to address the indications.
Westinghouse and Framatome were engaged to perform engineering analysis, design plugs, design the tooling to install the plugs, develop marking tooling and inspection tooling, all to be performed with the core barrel in the vessel at a depth of approximately 30 feet.
The metallurgical analysis is ongoing, but to date, nothing unique or anomalous to the Robinson core barrel has been identified. These metallurgical analyses will play a vital role in ongoing research and education, offering long-term benefits to the industry.
Collaboration was integral. I mean, without the collaboration of the Duke team, the Framatome team, the Westinghouse team, the fleet resources, the industry resources, this project would not have been successful.